prepositions of place. In this module, you will learn about prepositions of place. These are used to show where something is. On. I can't find my keys.
Keys don't move. Where did you put them?
On the table. In. Maybe they are in the bowl. Under. Oh, here they are, under the paper. Spot the frog. I see the frog. It's among the flowers, between the two lilies. Oops! It's gone behind the bush. Now it's above the sunflower. It's flying over the pond and it's gone. Where is the post office?
I'm looking for the post office.
It is at the end of the road by the pharmacy.
How do I get there?
Go along this road and under the bridge. You will come to a park. Opposite the park is a pharmacy. The post office is next to it. In this module, you learned about some prepositions of place: on, in, under, among, between, behind, over, above, at, behind, along, under, opposite, next to.